She wants you. This signal almost never fails. And the strange part? Most men completely miss it, even when it's happening right in front of them, because when a woman is truly interested in you, she rarely says it directly. Her body speaks first. Her behavior shifts, and everything unfolds so subtly that it feels like coincidence. But it isn't. Today, you're going to understand exactly why. Most men believe female attraction is obvious, dramatic, almost like something out of a movie. But psychology reveals the opposite. Real desire, especially when it's genuine, shows up through unconscious micro-behaviors. These are small, repeated signals that are incredibly hard to control. And the more she tries to act normal, the more these signs slip out without her realizing it. There's a very clear psychological reason behind this. When a woman feels attracted to someone, her brain enters a state of positive emotional alertness. It's a mix of curiosity, connection, and anticipation. Her nervous system starts seeking closeness, safety, and validation. And that's when the signal that never fails begins to appear. It's not forced. It's not rehearsed. It's automatic. Before we go deeper, if this kind of content helps you better understand relationships and human behavior, it makes sense to like this video and subscribe to the channel. That way, you won't miss the next insights that can literally change how you show up in your connections. Now pay close attention. The first behavior almost always shows up when she's near you, and she doesn't even notice it. She subtly adjusts her body in your direction. It's not exaggerated. It could be her torso slightly turned toward you, her feet pointing in your direction, or her body naturally aligning with yours. This happens because her brain associates you with emotional comfort, and her body responds by seeking alignment. The second signal comes in the form of small interruptions. She finds random reasons to break silence, say something trivial, or start a conversation without any real necessity. It's not about what she says. It's about keeping the connection alive. Psychologically, this is an unconscious attempt to extend interaction and avoid distance. The third behavior is even more telling. She begins to respond more to your emotions than your actual words. If you show excitement, she mirrors it. If you become serious, her tone shifts as well. This emotional mirroring doesn't happen with just anyone. It appears when there's genuine interest and a desire to create harmony. The fourth signal is one of the most overlooked. She naturally reduces physical distance. It's not obvious, but little by little, the space between you shrinks. She leans in, doesn't pull away when you move closer, and in many cases, initiates subtle, almost accidental touches. None of this is consciously planned. The fifth behavior confirms everything. She starts remembering small details about you, things you mentioned briefly, stories you didn't think mattered. This happens because when a woman wants you, her brain begins to store information connected to your presence as emotionally significant. Notice how none of these signals rely on direct words or obvious declarations. That's exactly why this signal doesn't fail, because it bypasses logic and comes straight from the unconscious. And here's the most important part. When a man recognizes these signals and responds with calmness, presence, and emotional stability, her interest usually grows stronger. But when he ignores them or reacts with anxiety, her brain interprets that as instability. It's not about doing something extraordinary. It's about not disrupting the psychological dynamic that's already been created. Now I want you to answer one simple question in the comments. Have you ever experienced a situation where you only realized these signs too late? Your answer says a lot about your current emotional awareness. At the end of the day, understanding this signal isn't about manipulation. It's about emotional awareness. It's about stopping the search for verbal confirmation and starting to observe real behavior. Because when a woman truly wants you, her body will always reveal the truth, even when her mind tries to hide it.